So, you might have heard of Proton Pass, the privacy first password manager from the creator of Proton Mail and VPN. Maybe you are wondering, how good is it? What changes in this year? And is it really worth it? Let's find out in this video. Proton Pass is an open source freemium password manager developed by Proton AG, the Swiss company behind Proton Mail and VPN. It's launched fully in June 2023 and it's built with zero knowledge encryption and meaning only you can access your data. It guards more than passwords. You can store passkeys, email aliases, credit card, secure notes, even files and IDs in an encrypted vault. So, in a market crowded with the password manager, Proton stand out for its strong privacy ethos. It's Swiss-based and open source, and it all continues to roll out meaningful features quickly. Recently, TechRadar even named Proton Pass best for privacy, and that's a thing they have mentioned in their website too. Because yeah, TechRadar have did it, then it's really a good thing. And why a fan highlight its free tier with unlimited login as excellent thing. So we'll just go check out each and everything here. Now let's start with the pricing here. So pricing has free plan. So here you can see Proton free. It means you will get unlimited password, passkeys, sync across devices, 10 hide my email aliases and password health alert, right? Then there's a Pass Plus. It gives you ad integrated to FA, dark web monitoring, unlimited aliases, secure sharing, Proton Sentinel protection. There's a Pass family for 6 users right now, and you can see here all these features, but for the 6 people of your family. Then there's a Proton Unlimited, everything. Bundle Pass with Proton Mail, VPN, Drive, Calendar. You will get every product of Proton. And you can see here with the complete access of all these features. Now let's go and set this up. So obviously, let's go to the home page here. And simply, if you don't know how to visit, just go to Google and search for Proton Pass. Click on this first link here and sign up for free Proton account. You can just go and click on Get Proton Pass from the top right side corner. Now it will ask you for the plan you want to choose. Here I would like to go with a free one, and once I go with the free one here, I have to enter my email and the password and click on start using Proton Pass right now. Once I have made your account, now click on start using Proton Pass here. Now here you can see you can install Proton Pass. Now here, whatever browser you are using, just go and click on Get Proton for Chrome browser or Brave browser, whatever browser you're using. Automatically, it will take you to Google Chrome extension and click on Add extension, and automatically it will add it on your top menu bar here. Automatically, it will get downloaded and it will get installed. Now here you can see it's got installed, and click on continue without pinning here. Now here you have to just connect your Proton account. Now simply just go and click on enter your password. Then you have to again sign in into your account. And once you're signed in, just go and click on import your password, and automatically all this password which is saved into my Brave browser will be get imported here, right? So here you can see here automatically there's a lot of passwords. So just for example, here I would like to go with the one password, and here click and file to drag it here, right? So I can just drag it and automatically it will just help me to import all this passwords. Now let's start from here the complete interface here. This is general. So general, you can change your language, whether you want light, dark, whatever it is, and what kind of autofill it will help you to fill it up. So obviously I just want regarding the passwords here that there's a auto suggest and there's a display and the pause list, and there's a lot more information here. But the main information that is basically the aliases here. You can add your email aliases, but in the free plan there's a limited number. Then there's a security. You can enter one pin code to access all your password. So I guess you just need to remember one password. And protect Proton Pass with an extra password. So you can add a pin and also you can add some extra password. This is the import which I've already shown you. To migrate data from another password manager, go to the password manager, export your data and upload it to Proton Pass. Once your data has been imported, delete the exported file here. So for example, I'm using a Brave browser. So here I will just go and click on Brave, and here I have to import my data, right? So here I have to just go and click on password and autofill. Then there's a password manager, right? And this is the entire all this password which is saved till now. Simply just go to your setting and somewhere you will find this option of export password and click on download file. Now let's enter the password. That is my system password here. and automatically that file will be get downloaded. Click on save, and once get saved here, I have to import that file. Drag that import file here and click on import, and automatically it will say whether you want to name this as a personal or a new vault. So I will just like to save this as a personal. Now click on confirm. Now please keep this window open, so automatically all this password has been imported here. So here you can see here it's done. Now I can just go and check out each and everything. So now guys, it's done. All this information has been updated here. Now once you start using your browser, automatically Proton Pass will suggest the password and you have to just allow it, and automatically you will able to use it. Now let's go and click on, this is the real dashboard of Proton Pass here. Now if you want to upgrade it, you can just go to the upgrade plan. You will get unlimited storage, free plan, hide my email aliases, right? There's a passkey and 2FA support, then there's a pass monitor, this is secure sharing, and open source and audited, right? So this is it. I hope you found this entire information very useful here. If you want to know the pros and cons, yes, let's go through it one by one. And this is the pros and cons here. So the pros are exceptional privacy, zero knowledge, that is really good. Some features are 2FA, that is one of the con. You can pause this video here and you can go through it, because I don't want to waste your time here. Now, let's talk about something important, that who should use it and who should skip it. Use it if you value privacy and open source tools here, need a free but robust password manager across devices, want passkey support and email aliasing built in. And you can skip it if you need advanced sharing, recovery or emergency account access here. You require live support or advanced integrations, then you can skip this entire part, right? It's completely up to you. Now for example, that there's a alternative. So what's the alternative? So there's a one password, Dashlane, Bitwarden. So some of them are open source, some of them are free tier, but obviously very similar to what Proton Pass provide. Now the final thought is Proton Pass deliver what matters: solid privacy focused password management that doesn't nickel and dime its user. Its free tier is impressive generous, and it's growing fast. If protecting your data matters and you want simple but powerful password tools, Proton Pass is absolutely worth a look. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe.